Hello everyone, welcome back to Vibe with Archie. In this video, we're going to dig deep, both literally and figuratively, into one of the most fundamental aspects of construction, foundations. The foundation of any building is not just a base, it's the bedrock on which the entire structure rests. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the different types of foundations that support the built world around us. Shallow foundations. Shallow foundations, as the name suggests, are situated close to the surface. These are typically used when the soil is strong enough to support the structure without the need to dig deep. There are two main types. Strip foundations. These are continuous concrete strips that support load-bearing walls. They are often used in residential buildings. Spread footings. These are individual pads or footings that support isolated columns or piers, commonly used in commercial and industrial structures. Deep foundations. When the soil near the surface is not strong enough to bear the load, we turn to deep foundations. These go deeper into the ground to reach more stable strata. The most common types are pile foundations. These are long, slender columns driven into the ground. Piles can be made of concrete, steel, or wood, and they transfer the load to deeper, more stable soil or bedrock. Caisson foundations. Caissons are large diameter, watertight structures that are sunk into the ground and then filled with concrete. They are often used in bridge and marine construction. Raft foundations. Raft foundations, also known as mat foundations, are large solid slabs that cover the entire building footprint. They distribute the building's weight evenly over a broad area, making them ideal for weak or expansive soils. Raft foundations are common in areas with a high water table. Pier and beam foundations. This type of foundation consists of a series of piers or columns that support beams. The beams, in turn, support the building's load. Pier and beam foundations are often used in regions with seasonal soil movement and for houses raised above the ground. Slab-on-grade foundations. These foundations are essentially large concrete slabs poured directly onto the ground. They are commonly used in residential construction and are cost-effective. Slab-on-grade foundations are perfect for homes in areas with mild climates. Trench foundations. Trench foundations, also known as wall foundations, are typically used in commercial and industrial construction. These are continuous strip footings that support walls, often found in basements and retaining walls. Each of these foundation types serves a specific purpose and is chosen based on factors like soil conditions, building size, and the local climate. One interesting aspect to consider is the history of foundations. Ancient structures often used rudimentary foundations, but as civilization and engineering advanced, so did our understanding of how to create stable and long-lasting foundations. For example, the ancient Egyptians used a type of shallow foundation, called a shallow mat foundation, to support the massive weight of their pyramids. Foundations are the unsung heroes of the construction world. While they often go unnoticed, they are the essential element that ensures the stability and safety of every building we inhabit. In conclusion, foundations are the backbone of construction. Whether shallow or deep, these structures are the starting point for any building, providing stability, safety, and peace of mind. The next time you walk into a building, take a moment to appreciate the foundation beneath your feet. It's the quiet strength that holds everything together. As we wrap up our exploration of foundation types, remember that the choice of foundation is a crucial decision in construction, one that determines the longevity and stability of the structures we depend on. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you find this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, comment down if you want detailed video, and share with your friends and groups. One last thing, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to learn and explore more in construction and architecture industry. Until next video, keep exploring.